Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get sturdy like K-Flock. Building a sturdy foundation requires dedication and a clear plan. We'll cover key areas like physical conditioning, mental fortitude, and consistent discipline. Remember, true strength comes from a holistic approach, combining both body and mind. Let's dive into the steps to achieve that robust, resilient state. To build physical strength, consistency is key. Aim for a balanced routine that challenges your body. Strength training builds muscle, while cardio improves your stamina. Don't forget proper form to prevent injuries and maximize your gains. Fuel your body with good nutrition to support your intense workouts and recovery. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. They are incredibly comfortable and durable. You can find the link for these amazing socks and other deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Mental toughness is just as crucial as physical strength. It's about staying focused under pressure and bouncing back from setbacks. Develop a resilient mindset by setting small, consistent goals and celebrating your achievements. Learn from every experience, good or bad, and always push past your comfort zone. Sustaining your progress demands unwavering discipline and consistency. Your daily habits, from sleep to nutrition, directly impact your overall sturdiness. Stick to your routine, even on days you don't feel like it. Small, consistent efforts compound over time, leading to significant and lasting results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.